Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video about grouping and changing this up here where you have group. Then I started thinking about it. Somebody doesn't feel comfortable doing this. I've never understood why they don't just use the G instead of Control plus G. So let's change it. Let's go to Tools, Options, Customization. And here again, if you don't know where it is, you can just go to Object and Group, and it'll tell you which one it is. So we're going to change this. When Matt actually it's this one. So it's Control G right now. We're just going to add G to a new one and assign it. You can keep both of them. Now let's just take these two objects, select them, and just hit G on your keyboard, and they're grouped together. And then you could do I should have done the same thing for the ungroup. So let's go back. You could have done them. I could have done them at the same time, but very seldom I ever thinking that far ahead. Customization. And we're going to go to, even though it's going to be probably grayed out. No, it's not. There's ungroup. And see the control, it's Control U. Well, why not just U? Well, I hit it twice. Why not? Why not just U and assign it? Then you've got to say, so this is where I could have done the other one before I say okay. So now we're going to just hit U and it ungroups them. We're going to go back and just hit G and it groups them. So, you know, I just showed in the video previous to this where this is pretty handy. And I'll probably still use it because this is using, I use my mouse for almost 99% of the stuff. So to take my mouse, my hand off the desk and hit a key, but it's a lot simpler than hitting two keys. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.